Juneteenth is the day of Jubilee, the day that freedom arrived, a day of joy.
Juneteenth is the oldest celebration commemorating the end of slavery in the United States. It was first celebrated in African American communities in Texas in 1866. Now it's celebrated across the United States as a federal holiday, including here at Belmont University.
On June 19, 1865, Union General Gordon Granger issued General Order No. 3 in Galveston, Texas, to inform the people of Texas that all enslaved people were free in the Confederacy. This day became known as Juneteenth, or Freedom Day.
The Emancipation Proclamation, issued by President Abraham Lincoln on January 1, 1863, set all enslaved people free in the states that seceded from the Union during the Civil War, which included Texas. But it wasn't until Juneteenth, nearly 2.5 years later, that the nation's last enslaved people of the Confederacy heard of their freedom in Galveston, Texas.
Juneteenth signifies hope. On this day 157 years ago, enslaved people found hope in the possibility of reuniting with their loved ones and building a new life in freedom.
Today, Juneteenth gives us the chance to reflect on our country's past and triumphantly move forward into a future of hope, unity, and belonging. Happy Jubilee, Happy Freedom Day, Happy Juneteenth, let freedom ring.